exactly do you think you're doing?
Excuse me, who are you?
I'm the Rain Garden Man, the superhero. May have heard of me.
Aren't you a little small to be a superhero?
I'm not small. I'm low to the ground, like a rain garden is.
Well, I've never heard of you.
Well, that's a shame, because I've most certainly heard of you. You're negligent girl, and you're my mortal enemy. You and everyone like you who drops their cigarette butts, bottles, and leftover foods into rain gardens like this, and your only purpose is to make this world a horrible place.
I'm Negligent Girl?
Yep, all you need is a cape, and I'm sure we can make you one out of all the rubbish you leave behind.
Well, I don't want that. Well, how do I avoid being Negligent Girl? Help me, Rain Garden Man, help me!
Help my oldest and worst enemy. I don't know.
We literally just met.
Okay, come with me.
Hey, hello! You're imagining you can fly, aren't you?
No?
I'm Negligent Girl, remember? You're supposed to be helping me.
Okay. This is an in-ground rain garden, okay? This is a tree pit. And that bad boy over there is known as an infiltration, or vegetated swale, if you will. And these are all different types of rain gardens. They take the excess rain and use that to grow miniature gardens, which reduce the stormwater that enters our rivers and creeks. And they actually help to filter the water that does make it to our rivers and creeks. They're not bins. Okay?
Oh, okay. So basically, what you're saying is that the only thing that should go in these rain gardens is rainwater.
Aha! Correct! You are no longer Negligent Girl. You have now graduated and will be forever referred to as Enviromus, my trusted sidekick and best friend.
Yeah, that name doesn't work for me.
Okay. You pick. We'll get you a cape.